to my YouTube channel, where I will be doing the actual install to the red lace front wig that we actually made up and colored, custom colored and customized, you know. It's natural, all Brazilian, raw Brazilian, 100% body wig. That's exactly what it is. Pretty much, I'm reading the script. Pretty much what I'm going to be showing you here today is the install, and I hope y'all enjoy it. By the way, I just wanted to put a name, a face to the name and everything. I look a little rough, been traveling a couple of days. I'll be back on the road Friday, and Monday, next Monday, we will be having another upload. You guys, I've been a little bit late, but I'm coming back to show you. I'm coming back. I'm getting it together, you guys. It's new. But I hope you enjoy. I definitely forgot a step, and I just wanted to come back in to correct it so nobody else makes a mistake. Now, you do add the makeup onto the lace as well as the cap. I skipped the adding the makeup to the lace, but in this case, it actually came out gorgeous still, and I just don't want y'all to skip that step, like, and do it with, put a little hairspray on it and then put the makeup on. Your choice of foundation, powder. Most people use powder. Cream can be used, but it really makes it dirty, your lace dirty and real sticky, and you don't want to use it again. But that's the only part that I missed out, and I hope y'all don't. But I will have more uploads of my lace installs, all lace installs. So just go ahead on and finish watching this video. And I hope to see you again next week, and with new content and way more content and way more content, way more content. I hope to see you guys next week though. And keep supporting me. Like, subscribe, share, book if you're local. If you're not local, shoot, make sure we can get a lot of bookings so we can enjoy this travel time, because I'm looking to expand, you guys, and hopefully I can find some followers, some models anywhere, and we'll be able to make this YouTube thing poppin'. All right, see you guys later.